I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Thanks for joining us on HTSN. It is going to be a wild day of weather across central Indiana. We've already dealt with the heavy rainfall. Eventually we'll have the snow, we'll have the wind and temperatures that are really going to tumble throughout the afternoon hours. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for all the counties you see in white. This is in effect throughout the afternoon hours today, all the way until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Down to the south from Monroe County to Bartholomew County, you are not under the winter weather advisory. You are, however, under a wind advisory for all the counties you see down to the south in blue. The counties not shaded in here that were with the winter weather advisory. The wind advisory is kind of included in that. So you too will be dealing with the very gusty winds, which will be over 40 miles per hour as we get into the afternoon hours. So here's the focus for today. Very heavy rainfall throughout the morning and into the afternoon hours. As far as the snow potential, probably does not arrive until after 7 o'clock, and wind gusts will be over 40 miles per hour as we get into the afternoon and evening hours, and that wind will result in a lot of blowing and drifting of the snow as we go into tomorrow morning's commute. So here's how it plays out on TrueCast. Again, the heaviest of the rain throughout the entire day was this morning. This afternoon we'll continue to deal with periods of rain, scattered showers, a few heavier downpours from time to time, and then we'll get into a little bit of a break, and by the time we get to 6 o'clock, that's when we'll start to introduce the chance of snow into the forecast. The snow is on the backside of this storm system, and it's going to pivot and rotate through the state. Now, initially, when the snow starts to fall, it's not going to stick on the ground. Temperatures will still be above freezing. So your evening commute home today, I think you're just fine. But once we get towards 10 o'clock, the temperatures are below freezing. The snow will be falling across the area, and we'll continue to deal with the snow throughout the early morning hours. It wraps up in time for your morning commute as far as the snow falling from the sky. But I still think there'll be lots of trouble on the roadways come tomorrow morning because the accumulations will be anywhere from 1 to 2 inches and along the metro area and Interstate 70. To the north, 2 to 3 inches of snow will be on the ground. So in general, 1 to 3 inches with the heavier totals to the north for your Friday morning commute. Wind gusts still over 40 miles per hour. Temperatures below freezing. Lots of moisture on the roadways. Black ice certainly a possibility, as well as the blowing and drifting of snow. Temperatures, as I mentioned, they're pretty warm throughout the afternoon hours, but then they tumble throughout the remainder of the day. We're into the freezing conditions by midnight, and then tomorrow morning you're waking up to temperatures in the 20s with wind chills in the single digits. Then it is dry for the weekend with another storm system for Christmas Day.